Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the presentation and making a quick backup. That protects your layout. Once done, inspect the slide master for headers, footers, or objects that may shift when orientation changes. Now go to Design Slide Size. That's the first actionable step because orientation lives there. Choose Custom Slide Size to reveal width and height fields. You do this to control aspect ratio. Switching later can distort content. Make sure to note original dimensions so you can revert if needed. Next, change the orientation itself. In the Custom Slide Size dialog, pick Portrait for Slides. If you need a specific paper size, enter width and height manually. Common choices are 8, 5x 11 inches or A4. When you click OK, PowerPoint asks whether to maximize or ensure fit. Choose Ensure Fit to preserve content scale, or Maximize if layout is more important than clipping. After that, scan each slide for overlapping objects, and use the selection pane to move or hide problematic elements. Finally, clean up layouts and finalize the portrait conversion. You should edit the slide master to update placeholders, text boxes, and consistent margins so changes apply across slides. Manually check images, charts, and grouped objects. Ungroup if needed and use Align, Distribute, and Grid tools to snap things into place. Once satisfied, save the file and export or print test pages. If things go wrong, revert to the backup you made and repeat the change with different fit options. That usually resolves layout breaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.